When was the last time we went on a bike ride? A couple weeks?
At least 2 weeks now. I was gonna ride last week. I forgot what happened. End up riding at home. It's busy, something.
I think it's more than 2 weeks.
Because we were gonna do a Tuesday, something going on.
Last ride I went on was in Tahoe with Carrie.
Yeah.
That was the weekend we closed on the house. That was 2 weeks ago. No, 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And then I might have gone on one ride since then, at most. So, yeah, it's been maybe a month since I had a real. Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, I need it at least once. I mean, once.
Almost when it gets hot, I don't really want to go out.
Yeah, I know 3 or 4 weeks ago it got really hot and we didn't do that.
Yeah.
Then we were saying gonna do it again the next week when we didn't do it, and you busy with your house.
Yeah. The good thing is we're at the beginning of the season now, so.
Beginning of season what?
For mountain biking, all winter.
Cooler season.
Oh yeah. No, for me that's key.
I like that, and I don't have to worry about this poison oak stuff.
Yeah.
You know.
I do really feel like I have drag somewhere. I gotta test the bike out on the stand.
Did you spin the wheel? Does it feel like dragging?
It's hard to tell when it's.
Well, if it's spin for a while, then you're fine.
Yeah.
It's only the wheel can drag. Oh no, maybe the crank.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, talking about the crank.
Yeah.
So during the race, one lady,
Yeah.
you know, in cyclocross, they do barrier, right? The obstacle.
Yeah.
You gotta carry your bike, run over.
Yeah.
This lady ran over, and she stopped and started kicking the crank.
Yeah.
At first, I thought, what's she doing? Something stuck or something?
Yeah.
Then she jumped back to the bike, started riding. Next thing we know, the crank just dropped, and she went forward, and she stopped there.
What happened? It
The whole
cracked?
crank, the screw just fell out.
Oh.
But remember
So
this.
she didn't stop. She just.
Yeah, something happened. She probably didn't really understand. But I don't understand. You have the screw, right? It has it's a Shimano gear, and you have the safety. I think it's a Shimano, or maybe not. Shimano has this plastic thing. You remember, right?
Yeah.
Even if you don't have a screw, it will be loose,
Yeah.
but won't come out.
Yeah.
So her whole crank fell off.
It was probably like the square taper ones I had on my old mountain bike. Those, when they get loose, they just fall off.
Oh really?
The screw comes
She
out.
probably had one of those then.
Yeah.
Yeah. She said right at the finish line, there was a bunch of people watching her, and somebody just handed her a bike, and she just rode that bike. So with the cyclocross, it's okay. Somebody help you, or give you a bike, or replace a tire for you.
Oh, yeah?
But mountain bike, you get a penalty. Well, first, mountain bike, you have to ride your own bike.
Okay.
Okay, you cannot swap bike. Okay. If you're gonna have somebody help you with the part, or help you with something, there's 5-minute penalty.
Okay.
I don't know if it's once, and you have multiple failure. I don't know how that works, but there's penalty. And if your bike just completely fails, yeah, you just can't ride. They won't let you ride.
Huh.
You have to fix it. Yeah. Yep. Keep going.
Yeah, I suppose.
Don't let your body cool down too much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, don't worry, I'm not cooling down that fast. I'm tired from just being terrible.
Oh, I know. It's the first time it's gonna be hard, but you gotta push yourself a little bit this time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seriously? Well,